Guys, so in this video the question says solve for the value of x when you have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of x is equals to 10. Now to solve this question we can say y is equals to 2 raised to the power of x. So when you have y cubed, you can still say is equals to 2 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of x. So now when you substitute this into the first equation, you have that y plus y cubed is equals to 10. So taking 10 to the other side of the equation, you have that y plus y cubed minus 10 is equals to 0. Now you can write this equation on the top as y cubed is minus 4y plus 5y minus 10 is equals to 0. Now with this we can write it as y square minus 4y bracket plus 5y minus 2 is equals to 0. Now you can open this. You can also write this equation in the bracket as y plus 2 bracket y minus 2 plus 5y minus 2 is equals to 0. Now this whole equation you can write it as just this simple one to help us solve this equation. You have y minus 2 bracket y square plus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. Now if you open this bracket, it will give us, to take us back to this equation. So now since we have this, we can now solve for the value of y. So we have y, we have double answers of course. We have that y minus 2 is equals to 0, and here we have y squared plus 2y minus 5 is equals to 0. You know, here we have that y is equals to, when you take 2 to the other side of the equation, you have equals to 2, and the value of y is equals to 2 raised to the power of x. So we have 2 raised to the power of x equals to 2 raised to the power of 1, making our x equals to 1. Now on the other side, you have that y squared plus 2y minus 5 is equals to 0. Now you can solve this with any formula, but let's use this one and say delta is equals to b squared minus 4ac. Now this will give us 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 5, which is equals to minus 16. Now minus 16 cannot fit in to the solution of this question, which is, you cannot say 2 raised to the power of minus 16 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of minus 16 is equals to 0. So it is impossible. So this answer is not correct. So we'll just go with this x being equals to 1.